Hey gorgeous, on this episode of the Priscilla Monroe Show, we're going to do a Valentine's Day look followed by the outfit of the day, so stay tuned. Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your head. Alright besties, so we're using the Fiery and Berries palette from Beauty Bay, and they're amazing. First I'm going in with a red shade. I believe this one is from the Fiery palette, and I'm just creating that shape that I want in my crease and dragging that wing out. So yeah, that's what we're doing first. I'm using a pencil brush to do this, and this one is from Morphe. It is M321. Once I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to blend out those harsh edges a little bit just to prep for the next color. We don't want any harsh lines, guys. We have to blend. Now I'm going to use a fluffier brush, and I'm going in with a shimmery, like, not a magenta, maybe like a fuchsia kind of color, and it was in the Berries palette, I believe. So I'm just following along the top of that wing and then on the inner part. Now I'm going to go back in with the pencil brush, and I'm doing a really deep purple in the places that you see, and just packing that color on there first, really getting the shape that I want, and then we'll continue to blend it out afterwards. If you're not too confident with blending out that outer wing, you can always use a tape, or if you use a tape, it'll just come out like a sharp, clean line. Or you could do it and then clean it up with a wipe or a Q-tip afterwards. Doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to blend it out a little bit and really morph those colors together. Just, you know, small little movements. You want to focus on the area that you want it to be in. And then you dip back into the red and into the purple, and you know, you kind of got to go back and forth and do a dance between the two to get them to marry together how you want them to. A little cooperation, you know. So I'm leaving a little gap in between those two spots of purple, and now I'm cleaning up that, or I'm cutting the crease on that top part, but I'm extending it a little bit. Oh, excuse me, alarm, my bad. But yeah, I'm extending it just a little bit past. It's just a different shape. I mean, it's like a half a cut crease almost, but I don't know, I kind of wanted to make it a little more like arrow like. I don't know, guys, you know, I don't know. So now on the lid part, I'm doing this pale it's like a pale pink. Yeah, it's a pale pink. It was really cute, and these colors together, I was like dying. I was dying. I'm dead. I'm done. But it's just a matte pink, so I went in with that with like a flat shader brush. I think this one is Sigma large shader E60. And then I went back to the purple and the red and just kind of blended those together. And then I did was it the same pink? Yeah, I think it was the same pink on underneath of the brow. And then for the bottom, I did like this hot pink, which wasn't included in the top portions, but it was very similar to the red that I did. It just was a little bit of a different tone, so it came together well. And then I used the NYX glitter glue right in the inner corners of my eye, and I just apply that with like a specific brush that I have for the glitter glue, because it will mess up your brushes, so you want to use like a cheap little brush. And then, you know, just blot it out a little with the fingertip, and then I applied a shimmery pink shade. So the glitter glue is not only for glitter, it's really going to make that sparkle pop and make it as bright and pigmented as it can be. And then I went in with a black liner on the outer and inner portions of my eyes, my eye line. I didn't follow the line all the way across the eye. I just did the inner corners like a little thing, and then the outer corners, I didn't even fill them in. I just made like a blank space. But I added some diamonds and some lashes and some red on my waterline, a little bit of mascara, and this is how it came out. And I think it was super cute. I love this look for Valentine's Day. I probably should have waited until Valentine's Day to do this look because I love it. It's so cute. But this is what it is. And my outfit was cute too, I think. The top was from Shein. The hat was from Shein. Sorry, baby, chill out. And the pants were from Fashion Nova, and the belt was from Shein also, I believe. And then the shoes were from Just Fab. And oh, the belt was from Shein too. I got a lot of stuff from Shein, and it's cute. Can you stop yelling? Stop it. This is what happens on Valentine's Day if you make babies, guys. Be careful, cause. You want to talk? Do you want to talk? Hi. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe. Don't get too lucky. See you next time.